Hello and welcome in a new video. My name is Ajay. Today I am in Nileswar. I am making the video from Nileswar. I came here after a long time. Means I came here after 6 and 7 months. So I should share experience of mine with you when I was preparing for Uttarakhand Police. So I used to go for run in morning and in evening. So I spent a lot of time of mine here. So now here I am recalling the memories again. So let's do, and I will tell you that. So where I used to practice of push up, pull up. So I will tell you everything. Guys, if you have vehicle and you are thinking that you should at least come in Nileswar, so there is a bypass road for reaching here, so you can come here. But if you do not have vehicle, there are another 2 and 3 ways to reach here. First it starts from the petrol pump, and second it starts from the near the Pindai road, so you can come here from that. So I would like to recommend you, if you are coming here, so you should choose a road way, because it is comfortably, because it will be comfortable to you to reach here. Also, if you are thinking that you don't have this kind of facility, then you can choose the way of petrol pump and the way of Pindai road, so that will help you a lot. Guys, now I am about to reach on the main road of Nileswar. Means it is a bypass road when the truck passes from here. So also it is a shortcut way to reach the temple of Nileswar. Guys, as I came on the road, so I see this. So this is very bad condition of the road, and it is in danger. So the human's life in danger, because it can be, there can be landslide in any time. So they have to save their life, they have to save their self who is living down of the road. So they just have to save their life, they have to be cautious for their life, because it can happen, the disaster can happen anytime. So there is no time of happening it. Take care of yourself. Guys, right now I am in the main road. So we used to run from here, but sometimes we used to decide that we should go down, and from there is a milestone. So we used to run 5 kilometer and 6 kilometer in a day. So means, yeah, from here to Bhagwati Mata temple, and from there we used to come here, and used to run. We used to complete that in 15 or 16 minutes. So that was the minimum time of maximum time we used to take that time. So that was the condition of us. Now we both get good marks in exam, so we are eagerly waiting for our result. So this was the pull-up stand of mine. I used to hold it and I used to do pull-up from here. So guys, this is a little bit garden of here, where we used to practice of pull up, push up and squat, also ball throw. So we spent 1 and 2 months here for practicing, because there was a lot of time for practicing. So we both used to practice of